Hello everyone, it's Dr. Stuart Hoover and I want to welcome you to 30-Second Juicing. You know, I've been in the health and wellness field for over 25 years and I've worked with thousands of clients around the country helping them improve their health naturally. You know, every now and again I come across a product that I really feel like I have to get behind and tell the world about. And that product is Daily All-in-One Plus Organic Greens. Folks, this is 175 plus all-natural organic ingredients all in one product. It's phenomenal. And you know, we all know today how important it is to get those superfoods in, the greens and fruits, but really who has the time to juice today? You know, let's just look at that process real quick. First, you got to go find a juicer. You may spend $100, $500 depending on the quality. Then you got to find time to go out and shop for those greens and superfoods and fruits. Make sure you're getting organic ones, by the way. Then you got to bring them home. You got to chop them up, you got to grind them up, and then you got to drink the juice. And let's face it, a lot of this juice we make at home just doesn't taste that good, does it? So it's really a big issue today, and a lot of people just don't have the time, but again, they know they need to be getting these greens and superfoods in their diet. So that's why I like to recommend Daily All-in-One Plus Organic Greens. And let's talk about how quick this is. You know, I mentioned 30-second juicing. We really have come up with a 30-second juicing solution. What you do is you simply take a scoop of the product. That's it. You put it in about 4 to 6 ounces of water, about a juice glass size. And I love these shaker cups that we have available right here on our site. You put your water in, you put the powder in, and you simply shake it up, folks, for a few seconds. That's it. And I want to show you how wonderful and rich this product is. Folks, that is 175 all-natural organic ingredients in 4 to 6 ounces of water. That's it. Man, and I'll tell you what, this tastes phenomenal. Even our kids absolutely love this product. Great way to get those green superfoods and fruits in with the whole family. So folks, we encourage you to try our Daily All-in-One Plus Organic Greens. You can buy it right here on our site today. Just click the Buy Now button. And I know you'll see the benefits this wonderful product will bring to you and your family. You know, we have so many ingredients in this product, they could not all be listed on the label. So on the very top, we have a little pull-out label that actually shows all of the ingredients, all of the different groups, and how they're supporting your body. Folks, this is by far the most comprehensive all-natural organic greens and superfoods product on the market today. Thanks for joining us, and I wish you all the best in health.